Well, we're here. Tim Cook had an argument with the tea lady. And the tea lady said, I don't like you, Tim Cook. I think your iPhones are rubbish. Breaking news. Let's put that on the news. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I've got a very worrying, concerning Fisker story. And by the way, there are still people trading Fisker. It hasn't disappeared. It still exists. And people are still making money on Fisker, just to let you know. This is my portfolio right now. As you can see, we're breaking all-time highs again. We're about to hit $75,000 with a few $100 come in on dividends at the end of the day. Very, very good day. Very, very good day indeed. But I need to cover this news for you, just to update you with what's going on in Fisker. It's a very short video. We're about to end the show, ring the bell. We've got Rumble earnings tonight, but I just want to bring this to you. One of my researchers, one of my members, one of my team sent this in. Fisker lost track of millions of dollars in customer payments for months. This is a bit scary. Okay, this has just come in, just literally an hour ago. Fisker temporarily lost track of millions of dollars in customer payments as it scaled up deliveries, leading to an internal audit that started in December and took months to complete, TechCrunch has learned. The EV startup was ultimately able to track down a majority of those payments or request new ones from customers whose payment methods had expired. But the disarray, which was described to TechCrunch by 3 people familiar with the internal payment crisis, took employees and resources away from Fisker's sales team at a time when the company was attempting to save itself by restructuring its business model. Now then, before I read any more, I'm going to sort of balance this out. This particular website likes creating headlines for itself to sell its stories. It's like a daily sport, news of the world type newspaper in the UK. It tries to sell headlines because now Fisker is trending and everyone's talking about it. So why am I reporting on it? I'm reporting on it because we represent the family of Fisker investors, and that's important. But this is not something I condone, this kind of reporting, because at the end of the day, every company have internal issues, and as it said, you know, most of it got sorted out. This really, in my mind, isn't worthy of a story. This isn't worthy of a story. However, because it exists and it's out there and people see this and get concerned, I am just covering it to put that side of the argument. This particular website likes this kind of story. Let's find something Fisker-ish because we can talk about it and get some traction on our website. And yes, you will watch this because you are, a lot of you like Fisker on my channel. However, I wouldn't draw too much into this. This isn't where we are today, and this isn't going to change where we are today. All right, so Fisker struggled to keep tabs of these transactions, which included down payments in some cases, the full price of the vehicles because of the tax internal procedures for keeping track of them. According to the people, in a few cases, it delivered vehicles without collecting any right. The people, again, a credible website gives names and it gives sources. It's just said, some people said this. Some people said that. I can say some people say all kind of things, and it would be a complete waste of time. So anyway, I appreciate that being sent in, but I'm going to debunk that for what it was. It is a bit of dross on a website that is hungry for views, a bit like Marcus Brownlee trying to get a few subscribers. I have put this news out. This will come out as a video later, and I will even name it of something like pointless news. Don't bother watching this. I'll make the point, but I'm always here to put news under the microscope and bring it to you for things that you are interested in, because at the end of the day, I am here to source information for you as my viewers and the family. So I wouldn't draw too much into this. This is not why the stock's down. It's not why the stock's going to go up. And it's a bit of he said, she said, and they had a few issues. Well, we're here. Tim Cook had an argument with the tea lady. And the tea lady said, I don't like you, Tim Cook. I think your iPhones are rubbish. Breaking news. Let's put that on the news. Anyway, click above my head, down below in the description. Thanks for sending it in. It did make a bit of entertaining something at the end of the show. I appreciate every bit of information, though. Over here and over here. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.